I'll show you the updated way to unlock the hidden developer mode so you can find your Discord ID on PC and mobile in under 60 seconds. If you're ready, hit that like button. Let's get into the fix. Your Discord username can change every week, but your user ID is a permanent 18-digit number that stays with you forever. Here's how to locate it for use with bot permissions, server logs, or even appealing a ban. Because Discord recently cleaned up its desktop settings menu, the location has changed. Click the user settings gear icon at the bottom left. In the left sidebar, scroll all the way to the bottom. You'll now see a dedicated developer tab. Click it and toggles developer mode to on. Now, just close your settings, right-click your profile picture in any chat, and select to copy user ID. It's now on your clipboard and ready to paste. On mobile, the steps are just as quick. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner to open the UI tab. Tap the settings gear icon in the top right. Scroll down to the app settings section and tap Advanced. Toggles developer mode to on. Now, go to any message you sent and tap your profile picture. On your profile card, tap the three dots menu icon in the top right and select to copy user ID at the very bottom. Once developer mode is on, you can grab the user ID of anyone on your list. Simply right-click or long press their name in a server, which is perfect for reporting or administration. If the developer tab isn't showing up for you, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.